In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and link charts from Google Sheets to Google Slides. This is a highly useful skill to have, especially when you're trying to make your presentations more dynamic and data-driven. So, grab your laptop and let's dive right in. First, open Google Sheets in your preferred web browser. Once you're in, navigate to the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to use. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create a new spreadsheet and fill in the necessary data that you want featured in your chart. Make sure your data is well organized, as this will make the chart creation process much easier and more efficient. Now that you have your data ready, select the specific range of cells you want to visualize in a chart. Highlight these cells by clicking and dragging over them with your mouse. After you've highlighted your data, go to the menu bar, click on Insert, then Chart. Google Sheets will automatically generate a default chart based on your selected data. Feel free to customize your chart according to your preferences. You can change the chart type, design, and color scheme by adjusting the settings in the Chart Editor panel, which usually appears on the right side of your screen. Once you're satisfied with your chart, let's move on to adding it to a Google Slides presentation. Open Google Slides in another tab of your web browser and either create a new presentation or open an existing one where you wish to insert your chart. Navigate to the specific slide where you want this visual to appear. Now, head back to your chart in Google Sheets. Click on the chart once to select it. You should see 3 dots appear in the upper right corner of the chart. Click on these dots, and then select Copy Chart. Switch back to your Google Slides tab. Right-click on the slide where you want to place the chart and choose Paste. Now, an important decision comes up. When prompted, choose the option to Link to Spreadsheet. This option is essential as it ensures that any future updates made to the data in Google Sheets will automatically reflect in your Google Slides presentation. Take a moment to adjust the size and position of your chart on the slide if needed. You can do this by clicking and dragging the edges of the chart until you're happy with its appearance and placement on the slide. Additionally, remember that because your chart is linked, if you ever make changes to your data back in Google Sheets, you'll just need to click the Update button in Google Slides to sync the latest data. That's it. You've successfully created and linked a chart from Google Sheets to Google Slides. This handy feature will help keep your presentations updated and visually appealing without the hassle of manually adjusting the data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore other cool features on Google Workspace and keep making impactful presentations.